So the third stage of aerobic respiration is electron transport. Electron transport takes place in elementary particles. What is the other name of elementary particles? What is the other name of elementary particles? Oxysomes. Elementary particles otherwise called oxysomes. So listen here. Here, during electron transport, if you take one NADH, here, already I told you, NADH means reduced nicotinamide adenine dinucleotide. This NADH is converted into NAD by removal of hydrogen. Hydrogen is released, right? Hydrogen is released. This hydrogen breaks into electron and proton. Electron and proton. Now, finally, and here oxygen is waiting. Now there is a competition. Electron and proton. Who will reach the oxygen first? Let us see. So here, now this electron is moving through a series of electron acceptors. So here you can see this is one and it accepts electron, for example Ag minus, and again it will change into A. Again one more electron acceptor takes electron and changes into, and it is converted like this. You see here these are called electron acceptors. These electron acceptors, what they do? They carry the electrons from one place to another place. So this is, see, a number of electron acceptors are arranged like links in a chain. This chain is called electron transport chain. What do we call?
Electron transport chain.
Finally, this electron is ready to join with oxygen, and this proton directly moves. So finally both will join together and finally oxygen is converted into water. So formation of water molecule takes place in electron transport. This electron, when it is jumping from one acceptor to another acceptor, energy is produced. That energy is used for the production of ATP. When this electron is jumping from one acceptor to another acceptor, so during the jumping, energy is produced. That energy is used for the production of ATP. See, when one NADH molecule involves in electron transport, it yields 3 ATP. 3 times energy is produced, 3 ATPs are produced. When one FADH is involved, 2 ATPs are produced. So one NADH is almost equal to how many ATPs? 3 ATPs. And one FADH is equal to how many ATPs?
2 ATPs.